So if you're thinking about getting a portable heater for your garage, basement, or just backup if the power goes out, let's talk about the Dyna-Glo Kerosene Heater. This has 23,000 BTUs, so it heats up a small garage or even a medium-sized garage pretty quickly. I want to tell you why I'd pick this over a propane setup. This one specifically is rated for indoor use as well as outdoor use, obviously. It has a cage around it so you can put a pan if you wanted to cook on it or whatever you want to do. This is a convection style heater, which basically means a flame is inside there and it rises up and it just naturally radiates through these vented areas of the heater right there. Some of the things to know about this is it has a tank down here. You don't have to worry about any compressed gas like a propane heater. You have a simple knob that just adjusts the height of the wick that absorbs the kerosene. You have a quick igniter switch that runs off a couple of AA batteries that you can switch out on the back side. And that's pretty much it. In the previous video, I talked about the fuel, but if you didn't see that one, it runs on the 1K kerosene from Clean Heat. The manual suggests that that's the only kerosene you should use. That's the only one that I've used, and after like a year of sitting, it starts up instantly, has no problems, and it produces a ton of heat. So this is in my garage most of the time, but it's nice to just have one of these heaters on hand in case of emergency if power goes out. And it's winter time, so if you don't have one of these, you should definitely get one of these. You never know when like a snowmageddon is gonna come or some big weather event's gonna come in the winter and leave you without power. And it's nice to know at least you have heat, and not just heat, a place to put a pan so you can boil some water or cook if you needed to. So if you have any questions on this product, I've been using it for a little while. This exact product is the WK95C8. And I'll put some links below if you want to purchase this bad boy. Have a good day. Peace.